You have this lime, I'm going to use it for its juice, but I don't need the rind on this. If you take and you grate a little bit of lime zest into a bowl and add salt to it, you got yourself kind of a cool lime salt. Just take lime, zest it. This is like a zester. There's a couple different types, but I like this particular one. And just keep twisting the lime. The rind off as you can. Now what you don't want to do is keep zesting the same spot over and over again, or else you just really kind of get the pulp into the bowl. So we don't want the pulp, we want the lime zest. Alright, so we've gotten most of it off. And then we just add some salt. Boom. Mix it together. Salt creates an environment that nothing can prevent, so you don't have to worry about this going bad per se. I mean, I guess over the course of a lot of time, it wouldn't be good anymore, but now you have lime salt.
Hey, it's me, the crazy raccoon.